What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com. I'm going to do a quick review today and get into one of the day trades that I put on today. We'll start off with the S&P 500, still looking a little bit weak, losing a little bit of steam. I wouldn't put too much value into this. You can see this breakout right through here that was set a little while ago, was taken out right through here about a week and a half ago, has since pulled back and is sitting right on that 29.16 and a half area. This is a great place to hold, and you can see with this trendline resistance that we do have a nice descending triangle right through here with bullish lead-in momentum. So if that trend does continue right through here, and this little apex area should break out and continue to the upside. So not too worried about overall strength today. It is Monday, lots going on. So we will see what happens with the S&P 500. Now, for all the day traders that don't pay attention to the S&P 500, today's move of the day comes from OGEN. This was a massive, you can see, over the last little while, it's been a gap fill, and the last 4 sessions have been opportunity after opportunity after opportunity. Today's session was awesome in the sense that right out of the gate, got a good hit on this really quickly. So it was up pre-market. You can see that it gapped up right through there. It started to trend up. I was watching this pre-market high for a potential breakout up at this level at 148. On the flip side, if this was going to move lower and take out that 123 level, I was very ready and willing to take this thing to the downside. Now, what actually ended up happening is that price action opened up about dead smack in the middle of this 148 over 122 range. It did move a little bit higher, tried to hold the VWAP and failed. What I was doing was I was actually moving this target a little bit lower, and right as price action came up to that 144 level, boom, got in, got long at 144, and I was actually out of this right up through here at 168. Now, you might ask yourself, why 168? This is actually a level of resistance on a daily chart that I had posted up. And so what I ended up doing was I actually just put on an order to sell my position at that 168 level. It's actually 164 to be completely honest. So that was taken out of the trade. You can see that it moved a little bit higher, got a little bit volatile, pulled back, held that VWAP. And like I put out in a tweet today, that there was going to be some more opportunity past the level that I sold out at. And you can see that we actually did rally all the way up to 190. I didn't participate in that part of the trade, but nonetheless, like I said on Twitter, there was going to be another leg up that traders could take advantage of. If you have any questions about OGEN, the overall markets, what my opinions are, or if you wanted to get in front of some of these trades, you can check out my my Twitter handle at jlewistrading.com. There's actually going to be a link in the description box below. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me directly. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe and turn your notifications on. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.